find like some who read every 3 days, some who read, maybe 10 times during the month of Ramadan, they finish the Quran. But he's asking about the issue of quality and quantity. And this is a very important issue. Should we focus on the quality or should we focus on the quantity? In Ramadan, we focus on both. If we can read the Quran, even if our Arabic understanding is limited, to try to finish the Quran as many times as we can. We make this as an objective, to get the ajr of reading the entire Quran at least one time. This should be our minimum objective, to finish the Quran at least once during Ramadan. If we can finish it 2 or 3 times, that's better. And then we because this is the month of the Quran. So we're going to put more effort in this month. So not just finishing the entire Quran, we're also going to have some time, as he mentioned, for tafsir and for understanding. So these type of programs that we have during Ramadan, where we do some tadabbur, reflecting and tafsir, we also focus on this. Going through the translation as well. We might find that I'm going to read, for example, half of the Quran in my language during the month of Ramadan as well. That makes your understanding better. So we combine during the month of Ramadan to do all of them, inshallah ta'ala. So we focus on quality and we also focus on quantity during the month of Ramadan. After Ramadan, we can focus more on the issue of the quality. After Ramadan, we focus on the quality of what we're doing, and we focus on making sure that we have a consistent program. Once again, it goes back to consistency.